In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage the process of receiving inventory in QuickBooks Online. This essential practice ensures your accounting records remain accurate and up to date as you take stock of new items for your business. We'll start by logging into QuickBooks Online through a preferred internet browser. Chrome comes highly recommended for the best compatibility. Open the browser, navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com, and sign in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a myriad of options, but our focus today lies under the plus new button located at the top left of the screen. Click this button to reveal another menu that will assist us in recording the receipt of our inventory. Now it's decision time. If you're planning on paying for the inventory at a later date, you'll want to create a bill. However, if the payment has already been made or will be made immediately, select expense. Both are effective ways to record the transaction, but the choice depends on your payment timeline. Once you've chosen either a bill or an expense, it's crucial to select the correct vendor from whom you've purchased these items. Simply scroll through your vendor list until you find the one you need. And don't forget to input the correct date of the bill or expense. This date should match the day you actually received or paid for the inventory, providing accurate reflection in your financial records. Now, let's move to the heart of this process, adding your inventory items. In the item details section, carefully enter each product you've received. For every item, ensure you list the quantity and the cost. Accuracy here will prevent discrepancies and ensure your books are impeccable. If you have several items, taking your time is worthwhile to double check each entry. Finally, we put the finishing touches on this process by saving your work. You can wrap things up by clicking Save and Close if you're done for now, or choose Save and New if you have more transactions to record. This action solidifies your entry and ensures everything you've inputted is safely stored in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you not only keep your inventory records intact, but also maintain a solid foundation for tracking expenses and managing cash flow effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember, mastering these steps can expand your confidence in handling your business's financial operations seamlessly.